you a new entrepreneur struggling with networking? Ever wondered how some people seem to know everyone and get the best opportunities? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the art and science of networking, giving you practical and actionable tips to help you navigate this crucial aspect of entrepreneurship. First things first, networking isn't just about collecting business cards or adding contacts on LinkedIn. It's about building meaningful relationships, and that, my friend, starts with authenticity. Be genuine in your interactions. People appreciate authenticity and can easily spot a fake, so don't pretend to be someone you're not. Value the person, not just the title they hold. Next, remember that networking is a two-way street. It's about mutual benefits. So, don't approach it with a "what can I get" mentality. Instead, think about what you can bring to the table. How can you help others? What unique skills or insights do you have that could benefit them? This approach not only helps you build stronger relationships, but also positions you as a valuable contact in your network. Now, let's talk about the importance of following up. You meet someone at an event, have a great conversation, and then nothing. That's a missed opportunity. Following up is where the magic happens. It shows you're interested and committed. So, whether it's a quick email or a LinkedIn message, make sure you follow up. Remember, networking isn't about instant gratification. It's about planting seeds and nurturing relationships over time. So, be patient. Keep showing up, keep engaging, and over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. And lastly, be consistent. Networking isn't a one-time thing that you do when you need something. It's a continuous process, so make it a part of your routine. Attend events, engage on social media, or simply reach out to someone for a coffee chat. To recap, here are the main points we've discussed. Remember, the goal of networking isn't just to get something, it's to build meaningful relationships that can help you grow both personally and professionally. So, go out there, start connecting, and watch as opportunities start to come your way. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.